Bile is a complex alkaline fluid that appears greenish yellow and is typically secreted and produced by the liver. This function aids in the process of absorption and digestion, helping to break down fats into fatty acids. It facilitates the emulsification of lipids into minuscule. Bile is a bitter substance that is stored in the gallbladder and plays a crucial role in the digestion process within the small intestine, assisting the body in eliminating waste through the digestive system. Upon arriving at the gallbladder, the fluid may become 5 times more concentrated, and in some cases it can be as much as 18 times the initial secretion level. Bile is continuously produced and kept in the gallbladder. This substance is typically released and discharged in the duodenum, which is the initial section of the small intestine, generally located between the stomach and the middle part of the jejunum. The discharge aids in the digestion process. Composition of bile. A variety of compounds contribute to the composition of bile, with bile acids, commonly referred to as bile salts, being among the most essential of these compounds. Bile acids assist in the combination of lipids during the digestion process, enabling the absorption of fats by humans. Bile consists of various substances including bile acids, cholesterol, bilirubin, phospholipids, electrolytes like sodium and potassium, and metals such as copper. Bilirubin, a key pigment, forms from red blood cell breakdown and oxidizes into green-colored biliverdin. Adults produce around 400 to 800 milliliters of bile daily. Function of bile in digestion. Digestion relies on bile's ability to break down lipids, especially fats, into their component fatty acids. This process is vital for the absorption of lipids and is essential for their emulsification in the human body. It is also frequently beneficial in eliminating waste materials that the body is unable to utilize any longer. The absorption of fat-soluble vitamins is aided by bile, which also plays a role in eliminating highly toxic pigments from the human body, including bilirubin and excess cholesterol. Complete digestion is facilitated particularly because of the presence of bile salts. During digestion, bile functions as an emulsifier, breaking down larger fatty substances into smaller particles. Emulsified fats provide a greater surface area, facilitating the action of lipase and accelerating the process. It illustrates an ability to envelop liquid droplets such as phospholipids to form micelles. The hydrophilic phase of the micelles is predominantly charged, which is essential for capturing fatty droplets and initiating the formation of larger fat particles typically located within a bile coat. Bile also aids in lipase activation. The larger space facilitates the action of lipase, a protein produced by the pancreas, in the digestion of triglycerides and phospholipids within the human body. The bile that the liver secretes after meals travels to the small intestine. However, the bile flows into the gallbladder as the requirement to break down lipids reduces.